channel Easy Learning by Pooja. In the last video, we have learned about the declarative sentences. There are two types of sentences in declarative sentences, affirmative, positive and negative. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to change a positive sentence into a negative one. When to use no, not, does not, do not. So let's start. Here are some rules for changing these positive sentences to negative sentences. So, rules for changing positive sentences to negative sentences. A sentence having no or not in it is called a negative sentence. We know that a sentence in which we have no, not is called a negative sentence. For example, I am sad. I am not sad. I am sad. I am not sad. We are tired. We are not tired. He is a liar. He is not a liar. The money was enough. The money was not enough. They were ready. They were not ready. So, in these sentences, we have used not. In every sentence, in each and every sentence, we have used not. So, there is a rule when to use not. When the verb is in some form of is, am, are, was, were, we put not after the verb to make the sentence negative. Here we have used I am sad, I am not sad. We have put not after the verb. Am is a verb here and we have applied not after the verb. We are tired, we are not tired. We have applied not after am. Here we have given where to use not is, am, are, was, were. We put not after the verb to make the sentence negative. Compare these sentences. He has some money. He has no money. She had a beautiful dress. She had no beautiful dress. We have a holiday today. We have no holiday today. Here we have when the verb is has, have, had. When we have has, had and have in a sentence, we put no after sentence negative. When we have has, have, had, we use no to make the sentence. And when we have the verbs like is, am, are, was, were, we put not after the verb. Here we use has, have, had to make the no. Here we use no to make the sentence. Now the next is compare the following sentences. She is skipping. She is not skipping. They have arrived. They have not arrived. He has got an umbrella. He has not got an umbrella. Neelu can run fast. Neelu cannot run fast. He will leave today. He will not leave today. Here we are having two verbs together. Helping verb and the action verbs. She is skipping. She is not skipping. They have arrived. They have not arrived. He has got an umbrella. He has not got an umbrella. So when we have these type of sentences, the rule for changing these sentences is when the verb is made up of two or more words. When the verb is made up of two or more words. Here we are having two words. Then we put not after the first word to make the sentence negative. Here we have used is skipping. She is not skipping. Have arrived. Have not arrived. Has got an umbrella. Has not got an umbrella. Can run. Cannot run. Will leave today. Will not leave today. So here we are having when the verb is made up of two or more words, we put not after the first word to make the sentence negative. So here we are having more examples. Compare these sentences. Now close the window. Don't or don't close the window or do not close the window. We say don't close the window and do not close the window. Leave the room. Leave the room. Do not leave the room. Don't leave the room. sit down, don't sit down. When we have this command sentences or imperative sentences, we put do not or don't in the beginning of the sentence to make them negative. If when we are having a command sentence, to make a command sentence negative, we put do not or don't in the beginning of the sentence. Here we have used close the window, don't close the window and do not close the window. Any one we want to write. जो भी suitable हो, कहीं पे do not suitable रहता है और कहीं don't suitable रहता है. Sometimes we use do not and sometimes we use don't. So here's a recap of this. Formation of negatives. Is, am, are, was, were. If we are having is, am, are, was and were, then we put not after the verb. And if we have has, have, had, we put no after the verb. When the verb is made up of two or more words, then we apply not after the first verb. And if there is a command sentence or imperative sentence, we use don't or do not in the beginning of the sentence. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the topic, then please like, subscribe and share to my channel. And please comment for more videos you want to see, for more topics you want to understand. Thank you.